All right, weather impact alert for us this evening, and still several hours away from those thunderstorms actually arriving. But if you have looked further out towards the west, we've seen a healthy line of thunderstorms produce multiple severe thunderstorm warnings, multiple tornado warnings as well. Again, the idea is that as this line is on approach to eastern Oklahoma and western Arkansas, that there would be some weakening. But is it weak enough that we wouldn't see any severe weather? That's what we're going to have to track the rest of the night tonight. So far today, it's been gorgeous outside. Very warm out there, very windy as well, though, and humid. So again, those things aren't necessarily working towards an easy forecast for us this evening as those storms make their approach. Here's a little bit of an update for you. Still, we have no watches out for our viewing area, but just out towards the west, we have two different watches. Severe thunderstorm watch across parts of northeastern Oklahoma, there in pink, but that yellow is that tornado watch that was issued all the way up to the county line with Sequoia. So again, if there was an extension with these watches, the next way down the line would be across eastern Oklahoma, eventually to northwest Arkansas and the River Valley. That's if there's an extension with that watch. We'll have to track those storms the rest of this evening as they come on approach. Here's a look at futurecast the rest of the night tonight. Here's a look at 9:30. Still very quiet out there, but you look out towards the west, there's that line of thunderstorms. Again, along the leading edge is where you're going to find the strongest winds. 60 up to 70 mile an hour wind gusts would be possible. But when it comes to arrival, maybe not starting to see those storms first across northwest Arkansas until around 10:30, 11 o'clock this evening. A little bit of a later arrival across the River Valley. We flash forward towards midnight tonight, and you can start to see this line of thunderstorms starts to fall apart, but still capable of producing some severe weather, especially again along that leading edge. You see heavy rainfall, some strong winds still, but then we even flash forward even further going into early tomorrow morning. Here's a look at 3:30 in the morning, and that line of thunderstorms is really starting to fall apart now. So again, on approach, there will be some weakening. Just how much? That's what we'll have to watch out for this evening. And the risk for tonight is not the highest it's ever been. That yellow there is at level 2 slight risk painted across parts of northwest Arkansas and eastern Oklahoma. That green is at level 1 marginal risk, showing signs of some weakening. The main concern with this is going to be the strong winds associated with those thunderstorms. 60 up to 70 mile per hour winds would be possible, but that hail threat, that tornado threat, while low, it's not exactly zero for this evening, and it is painted across parts of northwest Arkansas and eastern Oklahoma as well, so that threat definitely there. Futurecast shows us this. The rest of our week is going to be off and on scattered showers and thunderstorms. The rest of your Wednesday looks like this. Some scattered showers going into the afternoon, but overall severe weather not really expected past the morning hours. Now, the same trend is going to continue for our Thursday as well, with spotty activity for the most part, but then we get to late Thursday night going into early on Friday morning, and there's additional severe weather possible back into the forecast. Take a look at this. Early on Friday morning, another line of thunderstorms would be possible, continuing this very active pattern that we have not only for the rest of the work week, but through the weekend as well. So here's the threat for Thursday night into Friday morning. That level 1 marginal risk for most of us will follow those changes, but new today, Friday night and Saturday nights also have outlooks for severe weather. It's not guaranteed, but definitely the signs are pointing at that we could see more storms into the forecast. And when it comes to how much rainfall we could see, generally right around 3 up to 5 inches of rainfall is what we're expecting, not only through the week, but into the weekend as well. Northwest Arkansas over the next 7 days looks like this. Again, lots of rain chances and thunderstorm chances in the forecast still. Again, at least throughout most of our Wednesday and Thursday, it'll be spotty. Really, the next thing you need to look forward to is Thursday night into Friday, and then again Friday night and going into Saturday night. So most of those impacts would be isolated to the late evening hours or during the overnight hours. When it comes to the immediate threat, again, late tonight, let's say after 9 p.m., and then going, let's say, towards 2 a.m. on Wednesday morning, that's when that line of thunderstorms will be in our neck of the woods.
Wow, a lot of rainfall with this one, sounds like.
Definitely.
All right, Stephen, thanks.